Hello everyone! Today I will share my personal opinion about some of the best full-size swimming pools. For the price and more information, click the link in the description below. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which full-size swimming pool are you using right now and what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments. Your support will help to keep me running, so please subscribe to my channel. Number 1. Intex 28273A Rectangular Frame Outdoor. The only thing you and your kiddos will be doing this summer is swimming in this Intex swimming pool. The large rectangular frame on this Intex 14.75 feet by 33 inches pool is perfect for playing a game of volleyball, Marco Polo, or just sitting and chilling to stay cool. This Intex swimming pool is great outdoor family fun for ages 6 and up and is best suited for use on a level surface. This pool is easy to set up and takes only 30 minutes to assemble. May require pool underlay. For outdoor use only. The pool is designed with heavy-duty PVC and rust-resistant frame to keep the pool sturdy through many afternoons of splashing in the sun. Equipped with a control valve for easy draining. Number 2. Intex 26711A Prism Frame Pool Set. Prism frame pools feature strong powder-coated metal frames combined with a strong 3-ply material liner and a beautiful design, offering a premium pool experience at an affordable price. Includes 110-120V cartridge filter pump with a pump flow rate of 530 gallons per hour. The pool is great. 30 inches deep, perfect for just sitting. Enough room to cover the camping table and pump as well as enclose the little step stool ladder. It is easy to assemble. Anyone buying this pool, make sure your ground is level. As the pool fills, everything just tides up. Make sure the pins snap into place and legs are where they need to be. It's a good quality pool and easy to set up. Very sturdy and easy to maintain. Number 3. Intex 28211A Metal Frame Above Ground Pool. An affordable pool that is an alternative to more complicated steel-walled pools, and a more durable alternative to inflatable models. Easy to assemble, ready for water in just 30 minutes. Dual suction outlet fittings improve water circulation, resulting in better water hygiene and clarity. This pool has a 1,718-gallon capacity. Included 530-gallon-per-hour filter pump helps keep your water sparkling clean. Filter is equipped with the ground fault circuit interrupter, which is an added safety feature that shuts off the pump if electrical current is exposed to water. The wall PVC material is Intex's super tough, high molecular PVC, which is highly resistant to damage from abrasion, impact, and sunlight. This pool is supported by strong, durable steel frames which are powder coated for rust resistance and beauty. Number 4. Intex Mini Frame Pool. The whole family will enjoy this new addition to the backyard. Keep cool while having fun all summer long. Ready for water in just 10 minutes. Includes multiple air chambers and a 3-tier design for quick and easy inflation and deflation. Crafted from hard-wearing, heavy-gauge PVC, this inflatable pool is designed to provide family fun season after season. Exclusively designed to fit over inflatable pool, this matching cover will keep your pool free of debris all summer long. Have fun splashing, playing, and keeping cool all summer long with this pool. Multiple air chambers, a double valve intake, and free-flow exhaust valve allow for easy inflation and deflation. Crafted from durable, heavy-gauge PVC, this inflatable pool is certain to deliver many summers of fun and enjoyment for the whole family. Includes a matching cover. Number 5. Intex 1256,475 MP Swim Center Family Lounge Inflatable Pool. The full-sized inflatable lounge pool can hold up to 2 adults and 4 kids to have an amazing splash about in your backyard. Cool off you and your family soon in summer. Tear-proof materials and tight seams form a strong structure. 3 individual air chambers help the pool prevent air leakage and withstand extra weight, so the pool is always ready for fun. Quickly set up in 3 minutes by electric pump. Not included and fast deflated via the efficient valves. The convenient drain plug helps to fill and empty as needed quickly. Made with 0.42 thickness mat wear resistant and anti-UV materials. Keep it in shape and fresh under the sunlight. Prolongs the lifespan of the pool. This inflatable pool is produced by phthalate-free and lead-free PVC. Passed CSIA, CPC and ASTM certification, and safe for children. Thank you for watching this video. To get more informative videos, please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.